This is some of the cutest fighting I've ever seen.
Aren't they so cute together?
They play so gently. And Carter knows he's bigger, so he's like being gentle with them.
No, Carter goes way harder with Mackenzie. My brother's dog.
Dogs are really gentle about that stuff. It's so cute.
Yeah, like he cares. I know he's a Carter. Oh, Carter, come on.
Carter. Oh.
He likes it. Bo likes it.
Oh.
Carter, stop!
No, don't bite his penis.
Carter, definitely don't bite his penis. Carter, come on. That's a male guy.
Bo is
He
so
humps
cute.
everyone. Why does he hump everyone?
Because he's horny, he has to get his balls chopped off.
They're getting chopped off so
But
soon.
Bo's antagonizing him. Oh my god, Carter's making him suck.
Carter just humped his head. Carter, come on.
This is my favorite song right now. Actually,
Let's go outside.
it's a lie.